2008 Chevrolet Silverado, 5.3 liter. It's the flex fuel motor. As you can see, it's called an active lifter. 2 of them per bank, and collapsed. Had the vehicle running bad, rattling real bad as well, and fixed that.
Oh yeah, shit.
Got to pull the head off, and let's get little cartridges. That's cylinder floor. You got on cylinder 6 there are 2 back there, and then there's 2. So this is for the flex fuel motor. Got to pull the head to do it. Customer didn't want to fix them all. All he wanted was the one that was fixed, that was broke. So that's what we did. If you're running into a bad running problem, or you can't get rid of that misfire, or you have a rattle down there, it's probably one of those. This collapsed.
But they haven't hit it yet.
So hope this helped you out. I'm out.